Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to take a tour of the WACO airplane factory that we have here in Ohio. We took a thing there by the Great Lakes region of the AYA back in 2007, and here's a picture of the group of folks. Many of us flew in. We all had a good time. So we'll hope you enjoy some of the fun that we're going to have here taking a look at the WACO airplane factory here in Ohio. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, it's a typical factory tour, folks, when you go there. First, you're going to have an airplane. It's in a really pretty nice area, sitting room nearby, lots of light to take a good look at it. Beautiful shape because it's never out in the weather. But like all museums, it's got a bunch of other stuff. It's got a bunch of the history. It's got some photographs. It's got plaques. It's got motorcycles. It has a lot of stuff from that period, as well as the construction of those aircraft. So I think it's well worth a tour just to see the Ohio history. So we hope you found all that useful and informative. I'm going to throw some music in the background while you watch of the pictures. But again, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it all useful and informative. Have a great one.